Today in this video I'll talk about union operator and literal type. So first let's see the union operator. Suppose you have a variable number 1 and it can be either number or string. You might wonder, why do I need to accept string types? Okay, some users may assign values like this, number equal 56, or some users could assign number like this, but both are numbers. We can parse them from string to number, so both should be acceptable, but you cannot put other types like true. This will actually complain. So this is same for functions. So if you create a function which takes name the function anything, so any func, name this. So suppose you have a parameter here and it can be number or string, and you can do whatever you want with this parameter inside this function. But after that, when you invoke this function, so you are only allowed to pass number like 20, or you are only allowed to pass numbers in string like 30 in this way, but you cannot actually add something else like here we can say false. It will complain. In the last video we saw all about enums, but suppose you don't want any enum, instead you want to accept some string value, so param1, or we can be more specific like status, and you can be very specific like we will only accept active or disconnected, these two values as string. So if you now try to invoke this function, if you put any different string, so it won't work. You are only allowed to pass either active or disconnected. So this is how you can use the pipe operator or union operator. And if you need to use this union operator more and more, you can actually save them in a type. So at the top of the file we can define this custom type, so type, and name the type. So let's say it will be status, and the value should be this 2, either active or disconnected. Now you can always replace this with status or new custom type. And not only this, you can also make any complex type, like you can say person, and it will be an object with two properties like name, which will be string, and age, which can be number or string. If you save this, and you can create instance of person, like not instance, but you can provide the type, your custom made type. So person1, it will be type of person, and then you can assign person equal or you can put it into string, but you cannot actually put different type of value. And so let's put it back to 25. Now you can actually also accept person. so it will be of type person. Now we can call invoke this function passing our new person1, and we can log it here. So person dot name and save it. Now let's compile this tsc, and it will generate the main.js. You can see this is my tsconfig.json file. Now we can run the main.js, node main.js. You can see the name is logged here. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video.